What are cells? Hi everyone. Welcome back to Science with Annoos. Today, we're going to explore cells, the tiny building blocks that make up every living thing on Earth. Without cells, life wouldn't exist. So, what exactly is a cell? Think of a cell as a small room where everything needed to keep an organism alive happens. Plants, animals, even you, are made of millions or billions of these tiny rooms. Cells are super tiny, you can't see them with just your eyes. To see cells, scientists use microscopes that make them look much bigger. Every cell is covered by a thin layer called the cell membrane. This membrane acts like a security guard. It protects the cell and controls what can enter or leave, like water, food, or waste. Inside the cell is a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. This jelly holds all the parts of the cell in place and helps them move around smoothly. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA, which is like an instruction manual that tells the cell how to grow, divide, and do its job. Cells need energy to work, just like we need food. The mitochondria are tiny power plants inside the cell that turn food into energy the cell can use. Ribosomes are little factories inside the cell. They make proteins, which are very important because they help build parts of the cell and repair damage. Plant cells have special parts called chloroplasts. These use sunlight to make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. Plants also have a cell wall and vacuoles. Cell wall is a strong outer layer outside the cell membrane. It helps the plant keep its shape and protects it from damage. A vacuole is like a storage space inside a cell. In plant cells, the vacuole is big and holds water, nutrients, and waste. It also helps the cell keep its shape by pushing outwards. In animal cells, vacuoles are smaller, but they still store important materials the cell needs or wants to get rid of. Animal cells don't have cell walls or chloroplasts, but they do have lysosomes. Lysosomes are like the cell's recycling center. They break down waste and keep the cell clean. There are two main kinds of cells. Prokaryotic cells are simple and don't have a nucleus. These are usually bacteria, the smallest living things. Eukaryotic cells are more complex. They have a nucleus and many parts inside. Plants, animals, and fungi are made of eukaryotic cells. Sometimes, cells work on their own, but often they join together to form tissues, like muscle or skin. Many tissues then make up organs, like the heart or lungs. That's a quick look at cells. They're tiny but super important. Thanks for watching Science with Annoos. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome science videos. Bye!